Hello everybody. We got our business kit today. Just wanted to do a little video to unbox it, see what's in it.
I'm gonna take pictures.
Ready to dig in. Let's see, we got 4 prep bowls.
Exciting.
A citrus press. We got a bunch of catalogs. If you want a catalog, let us know. There it is. Big one out.
Ooh.
A big steamer.
This is in the
Multi-purpose
starter
steamer.
kit, guys.
Costs $125 and you get like $250 worth of stuff.
It's so worth it.
4-in-1 spice spoon.
That's something I'm very excited about.
A flipper.
I did not know that was in there. I'm excited. Oh my goodness. Didn't know this was in there either.
Prep Pro scissors.
Yes.
We have $40 VIP gift host gifts. So if you want to host a party, you can get $40 in products.
That's during your startup month, too, guys, just so you know.
Yeah, that's just until the end of April.
For us.
There's future booking certificates, so if somebody books in your party, then you get $20 gift certificate for that. So it's a welcome gift. Oh, you get discounted Vista print.
Make your own business cards.
New consultant startup guide.
Very nice. You can find a lot of stuff online so you can start it right away before the kit comes, like we did.
Compensation plan book. It tells you what you get paid if you want to start your own Epicure business. We can sponsor you and everybody wins. Fast start guide.
English and French.
Epicure bag.
Oh, isn't that cute? Let's put in the bottom, I would say.
Okay, yep, right for the bottom. Now we get into the foods. We got a whole big box of food. Let's see here,
What do
we
we got?
enchilada,
Ooh. Is that butter chicken?
butter
Yes.
chicken. Oh, I really want to try that one.
Yes.
Sweet and sour stir fry.
No way. That's the other one I want to try.
General towel. That's a good one too. Ooh, chocolate
What is that?
mud pie. Oh, I want to just eat all night. Donair.
That's one of my favorites. The Donair seasoning.
Mac and cheese. I'm gonna try that one out.
Yeah, you'll like it. Ooh.
Cha-cha chili.
One of my favorites as well.
And chocolate instant pudding mix.
Which you can use for so many different things. Oh my goodness.
Oh, other box of stuff. All kinds of stuff in here. Poco picante.
Oh, that's something I have not tried.
Fajita.
Yes. I love the fajita seasoning. It's really good.
Roasted garlic.
Ooh, the aioli?
Aioli, yep.
Yeah. I haven't tried that one. I tried the toasted garlic though.
Summer berry.
Yes.
And guacamole.
Lots of goodies.
Yeah.
I'll have to find other uses for it for myself because I
Yeah, I don't think either one of us like guacamole.
Maybe a dip, maybe like a 7-layer dip or something. But that's the starter kit, guys. Look at all of these goodies. Like, wow. And there's like no quotas unless you want to, right? By the company. And there's no, you're not locked in. So yeah, if you want to learn more about becoming an Epicure consultant, reach out to us.
You can sell almost as much or as little as you want. There is a minimum for every 3 months you have to sell $250.
Yeah, very doable.
Just to keep your consultant status. And yeah, if you want to start your own business, let us know.
We're here to help.
We can help you out.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.